Hello my dear learners, welcome again to my today's lesson. And if you're new here, consider subscribing, share, comment, and also press the notification bell so that once I upload a new video, you'll get it right away from your gadget. So in today's lesson, we are faced with the topic of inequalities, and the question has got two parts, A and B. So part A of the question is solve the inequalities 2x minus 5 is greater than negative 11 and 3 plus 2x is less than or equal to 13, giving the answers a combined inequality. Then part B, list the integral values of x that satisfy the combined equality in A above. So starting with part A, we solve the inequalities separately. So this is what I've done. So the first inequality is 2x minus 5 is greater than 11. So we treat this sign as an equal sign, but in our working we show it the way it is. So we just treat it in the back of our mind that it is an equal sign, but in our working we show it the way it is. That's why I've taken 5 to the other side, so it is negative. When it crosses this sign becomes positive, so it becomes 2x is greater than negative 6, making our x greater than negative 3. Then the other inequality is 3 plus 2x is less than or equal to 13. So solving for x, we get 2x is less than or equal to 13. Because it is positive, when it crosses this side it becomes negative, so 13 minus 3 we get 10, so making our x to be less than or equal to 5. But the question is giving the answer as a combined inequality. So look here, we get x is greater than negative 3, x is less than or equal to 5. So we start with, we put our x at the center. So then we ask ourselves, between this one and this one, which one is big? So the large value we put it at the right. The large value we put it at the right hand side. So negative 3 and 5 becomes the large value. That's why I've put it at the right hand side. So looking at this one, the sign here was facing 5. So here is our x, the sign must face 5. So coming also here, the side was facing x. So it must also here, because 3 will be on this side, the sign must face x. So the sign changes from being greater than to less than. For it to face x, it must be less than. So less than, then 3. Negative 3, we write it on the left hand side. So that is how we write the combined form of the inequality. This is the combined form of the inequality. Then part B says list the integral values of x that satisfy the combined inequality in A above. List the integral values of x that satisfy the combined inequality in A above. So here we normally say negative 3 is less than x. So because this sign looking at these two signs, so the number that comes before or after this sign, usually we say it is included. Also the same to this one, the number that comes before this one or after this sign is usually included, and this sign or this one normally they are not included. So looking at this one here, this sign, so it means -3 is not included because it falls under this category. So if it is not included, so we take the number that is above -3, because -3 is less than and -3 is not included, or x is greater than -3 and -3 is not included. So we take the number that is above -3, which starts with 2, and mind you it's integer because we have been told integral value. So integral comes from the word integer, and an integer is either positive or negative whole number values. So becomes -2. Then looking at this sign, it means that our 5 is included because they fall under this category is included. So it is -2 up to 5, but we have been told to list them. So in listing them, it will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the integral values that satisfy the combined inequality. It is my hope that you have been able to follow, and if you have got any question, feel free to put it on the comment section, and I will be able to follow it. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.